And so I'm going to work on pressing down into my feet, lifting into my core, because eventually what I want in my splits is end range control. Hi gang, welcome to Pose of the Week, and carrying on with my little series on developing range of control through eccentric loading and activation at end range. And I'll talk about that a little bit as I show you a posture, but a lot of people ask me, how can I, apply the right cues to get into the splits? Things like that. The splits is very much a range of control kind of posture, okay? There isn't a secret cue. There's only a road ahead of you of developing tissue tolerance and range of control. So here's a way to do that, again, with the socks and the slide idea. So if you want to develop range of control for a split, this is what I suggest. So you're going to slide your feet away from each other. You need to be strong in your arms. So if you haven't watched the previous week's video, last week's video, you should see that one about using the plank strengthening, core strengthening. So here I am. I'm pushing down into both of my feet, pushing down into my hands. And so I'm going to work on pressing down into my feet, lifting into my core, because eventually what I want in my splits is end range control, range of control. So that would look something like this, actually being able to lift my body up out of this posture. Okay? Not down here where I can't turn any muscles on. Okay? And then when I actually want to come back, I want to be able to slide my foot back. So that's what I'm working toward, and I'm developing that with muscles turned on, not with somebody sitting on me. That's for sure. So that is the front and back splits, and it's very similar if you want to work on your side splits too. So working on pulling everything into center, actively pulling in. You really cannot get away with being passive here. And the wonderful thing about working this way in the yoga practice is that you're getting so many more benefits from practicing like this. You're working hard, developing your musculature, developing your tissue tolerance, and developing your range of control as well. So lots more going on than you would find in a passive posture. No matter how long you sit in that passive posture, you will never get range of control, which is what you really want in your practice and in your life. It's going to give you the long-term benefits you hope to get from your yoga practice. All right, so there's a couple more ideas you can go away and practice with. And you'll start to see it doesn't take long to notice a difference, that you are getting stronger at those end ranges, and you're going to have access to greater range of motion. You will be strong at a greater range of motion. Going to help you in your standing balances and many other postures that you need strength and stability for. Okay, I'm excited for you. Go away and try that. Let me know how it goes, and I'll see you next week. I still have more for you. Bye for now.